Okay, now I'm gonna go into a roller coaster. How do I do that? I go here and I download green screen roller coaster background. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna download it. So now for the roller coaster, what I'm gonna do is put the video of the roller coaster, and I record this video while I was watching the video of the roller coaster on YouTube. Oh man, that was something.
How was that first one?
So now I need to try to match the images with what was going on. I'm gonna put the green screen.
How was that first one?
Man, that was something. Okay, so I think I'm gonna cut this a little bit, this one. Put it the man that was something at the end, right at the end. No, this has to be a little bit more. Man, that was something. That has to be somewhere here.
How was that first one?
That was something. Okay, I'm gonna finish there. That was something.
How was that first one?
Okay, that's right. So something like this. Okay, good. So what I did here in this video was I was watching the video on my computer. I was doing some movement related with the roller coaster, and after that I put the video of the roller coaster and the other one in the green screen. It looks like this. Okay, I put it that start at the same time.
How was that first one?
Good. Let's go to the next one.